This is a 3 horsepower LeBlanc Regal engine lathe. It is currently wired 220 but can also be wired 440. We're going to start off in low range. As you can see, it has a very good brake. This also has a neutral, as you can see. This is middle range. See, even in high range, there's a very, very good brake on it. As you can see, the feeds engage very easily. And they also reverse. See, the overload clutch works perfectly. Same with threading. If you want to thread, just engage the lead screw. Push down the half nuts until they engage. Wait for it to pick up. As you can see, it's picked it up. Threading with it, you can just change from reverse to forward without actually coming off the workpiece with this mount. Turret indexes easily, make sure the clamp is loose.